This is planting of yam seedlings in Igboland. We're taking the bull by the horn and we're going back to agriculture. We're going back to farming. You can see my mother trying to plant her yam seedlings. So we expect a better yield come August or September. And one remarkable thing about this is by September we're having our New Yam Festival. So we started early, and on September again we'll produce another video where we shall show you how big the seedlings, rather the yams now are. So we planted our seedlings. This is the second one, though she's going to the third one. This is the third one. Mele bodu la hono. Okay, well. And this is the final one. She planted 4. 4 is for today. There are ones we planted in other places, so but this one is 4. So let's see what this 4 will produce in August or September when we harvest the yams. So thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen.